Intro. Are you looking to kickstart your fitness journey but feeling overwhelmed by all the exercise options out there? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to break down the easy exercise fundamentals every beginner should know. Whether you're new to working or just looking to refresh your routine, this video is for you. Main content. 1. Start with a warm-up. Before diving into any exercise, it's crucial to warm up your muscles to prevent injury and improve performance. Spend 5-10 minutes doing light cardio or dynamic stretches to get your blood flowing. 2. Focus on form. Proper form is key to maximizing the effectiveness of your workouts and avoiding injury. Pay attention to your posture, alignment, and breathing throughout each exercise. 3. Mix up cardio and strength training. A well-rounded workout routine should include a mix of cardiovascular exercises, like running or cycling, and strength training exercises, like squats or push-ups. 4. Listen to your body. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your workout intensity or duration as needed. Don't push yourself too hard too soon. Progress takes time. 5. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential for overall health and workout performance. Make sure to drink water before, during, and after your workout to stay hydrated. 6. Set realistic goals. Setting achievable fitness goals will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Start small and gradually increase the difficulty as you get stronger. 7. Incorporate rest days. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Give your body time to recover and repair itself to prevent burnout and overtraining. 8. Find activities you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, to make fitness fun and sustainable. 9. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Create a workout schedule that works for you and stick to it to build healthy habits over time. 10. Don't compare yourself to others. Remember that everyone's fitness journey is unique. Focus on your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Outro. Now that you're armed with these 10 exercise fundamentals, you're ready to take on your fitness goals with confidence. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.